Hello, welcome to Gladytech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about what does 456 mean on TikTok. It is a squad game profile frame, part of collaboration between Netflix and TikTok to celebrate the release of Squad Game Season 2. The players are called 456. So this game, you must have your TikTok app, you must have a TikTok account, and you must also be patient in case if your location don't have the feature yet, is going to get to every location. But if your TikTok don't have it yet, just have to be patient and make sure that your TikTok is always active. Have a profile that is active, and that way you're going to get the 456 frame. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.